Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time at Jackson Academy of Math and Music, or JAM, home of the Jaguars here in Morgan Hill, California. It was a beautiful day. Got to stay through all the lunches with other students, spoke through grades K through 8. The main theme, like it says on the screen here, was all about bullying, looking at the heart first, right? To see people like you see your own best friend, to show that same type of compassion to anybody, whether they're born different than us, if they walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, different skin color, whatever it is that might kind of, separate us, that we look for that to hopefully bring us together. And we look past all the things that might be on the outside that kind of differentiate who we are, and we look at the inside. We always look to the heart before anything else. Heart as big as our fist. If we let that love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this. Peace sign, one finger ourself, the other someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat that individual. Hopefully with kindness and love, and to know that in just 2 seconds, in one heartbeat, one breath, one word, one action, positive or negative, we can uplift or we can bring down, right? Destroy. And it really comes down to, believing in our ability to change hearts and to change lives, and to know that just one kind word can change someone's entire day. We talked about that, one of the pledges that we have here that I shared today, but also know that just one kind word can change someone's life, maybe even save a life. Why we know that it's so important to be all in and to be that light to someone else's heart, to not only believe that we're all true miracles, like the M on all of our hands, the lines of our hand. I talk about that. I traced mine here, like the front of my shirt says miracle. M for miracle, M for Morgan Hill too, but also W upside down for worthy, that we're all worthy of love, to both give it and receive it, and that we all deserve that love. And once we buy into that, know that we're good enough, now we got to go out and help other people that don't believe that, or forget, or maybe forgot that truth, to know that they are great enough too. That anything we're going through currently in our hearts, or any pain, any loss, any sad memories, and we work through a lot of that, some students and I, and there were a lot of tears, and that's okay, because tears are strength, of the sweat of your strength, start of healing and feeling again. A lot of them now understand that once they've worked past some of that, being hurt people who might hurt people, we can turn that hurt and that pain into greatness and become healed people who help to heal people. And it's so vital, because this planet desperately needs that kindness and love. It desperately needs each one of you being the change, like Gandhi talks about, but how he says that we must be the change we want to see for this world. So it's not even a choice. It's our responsibility as human beings to show that empathy, to show that kindness, to show that love. So keep sharing your hearts. You guys touch my heart. Much love. And as always, make sure to hit the notification bell that you see on the screen over here, and hit the subscribe button too, to stay in the loop for future video updates just like this one. You'll see some other amazing clips in the playlist above. Check out my website too to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's hearts, one school at a time. Peace.